Welcome to Piyush International Packers and Movers Baltana. We provide top movers and packer service in Baltana. Find and hire leading packers and movers in Baltana for door-to-door interstate household shifting from Baltana. Local house shifting, car transport service, bike packing and moving. Booking today. Top packing and moving, low cost, best services, safe and fast services anytime.
We have 20 years of experience. Fully expert. Fully responsibility. Guaranteed safety. Our trained packers and movers will pack your goods with safety. Our staff is expert as well as responsible. Just call now and relax. Helpline number 9211165. Best. Safe. Fast.
We providing packers movers. Relocation solution for our customers. Business growing in last 20 plus years. Practical experience. Excellent services provided by our team. During the entire move. Call Mr. Sonu 9216111657. Our team provides complete packing for your household goods. Booking today. 10% off. Affordable with quality. Relocation service. Contact for booking. Call Mr. Sonu 9216111657. Booking now and relax. Thanks for watching video. Please share and like.